Hey, what's up guys? This is Cole, and I wanted to talk to you for a second about Haiti and Allmade. So on January 7th, I went with a group of about 20 screen printers to Haiti to check out how Allmade is making their new t-shirts. The first thing you should know about Haiti is that they have about 80% unemployment. The people who are lucky enough to get a job are making $3 to $4 per day, and there are 11 million people living in Haiti right now. The first day was severe culture shock for me. The trash on the ground and the living conditions of these people is definitely third world, and it's devastating to see. We ended up heading straight to the orphanage that first day, and seeing the smiles on these kids' face is really uplifting because regardless of their struggles, they're making the most out of their lives and they're able to be happy even in this situation. Then we got to go and head to the Life Facility. The Life Facility is where Allmade's apparel is being created. It's backed by the Global Orphan project, which means that it's actually a nonprofit, and all of the profits that they create in that facility go back into the orphanages. Beyond that, they're treating their workers incredibly. They have ergonomic chairs, adjustable sewing desks, and they're paying them 5 times the standard pay. So instead of $3 to $4 per day, they're making $16 to $24 per day. They actually have some sort of hope for getting out of their extreme poverty. Beyond that, the US fabrics that Allmade has chosen are incredible. There is a US sourced organic cotton, recycled polyester, which means that 3 water bottles are being recycled into every t-shirt, and modal for an awesome soft finish. The fit of this shirt is fantastic, it's modern, it has side seams, and we're having some great results with discharge and water-based inks. If you'd like to check out an Allmade shirt, you can hit us up at shirtagency.com. And if you'd like to learn more about Allmade, head over to their website, allmade.com, to see what they're up to and how they're going to be looking to expand in 2018. Thanks, guys.